Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this eTrailer self-adjusting 12 1/4 inch by 3 3/8 inch left-hand driver's side electric trailer brake assembly for 10,000 pound axles. Now this electric brake assembly is a lot easier to install, offers more user control than hydraulic brakes. Basically it only requires an electric brake controller, which we do sell separately on our website. No need for any brake actuator or hydraulic lines. It will require a 12 1/4 inch diameter brake drum that fits over the assembly. What's nice about this assembly, it is a self-adjusting brake, so it'll let you maintain optimal braking power at all times. The way you can tell it is self-adjusting is you just look at the cable here that goes around this wheel and attaches to a lever that will automatically adjust the adjustment wheel down here as the trailer is moving. The self-adjusting brake ensures reliable contact between your brake shoes and your drums, and it'll even prevent uneven wear on the brake shoes. Now this part here is for the left-hand driver's side electric trailer brake assembly. And when we talk about driver's side and passenger side, the way you can tell which side they go on, when you get a new assembly, it's pretty easy because there's a sticker on it that'll say left hand or right hand. But if that sticker wasn't there, the way to tell is you look at the length of the brake pad that's on the chute. So this pad goes from here all the way down to here. You rotate it around to the other pad, goes from here down to here. This pad is actually shorter, so the shorter shoe is your primary shoe, and your primary shoe will always face the front of the trailer. So if I'm at the front of the trailer and the primary shoe needs to face the front, you can see it's going to be for this side, which will be the left-hand driver's side assembly. The brake pads they use are long-lasting brake pads, gives you excellent braking torque. These pads are fully bonded to the shoes for more consistent braking compared to your riveted pads. And what's nice is on the pads, the edges, they are tapered to help minimize stuttering or brake lockup. If you notice on these also, they have the metal protective dust shields on them. These are designed to keep your internal components free from any dirt, grime, or road debris. And they do have a nice black coating on them to prevent rust and corrosion. Also, if you look closely, you'll be able to see the bolt holes. We lined the shield up with it. It's got 7 bolt holes. That's telling you this will fit a 7-bolt brake mounting flange on your axle. Now to mount this, the mounting hardware is not included. You would have to supply that. Application, this will fit most standard hub and drum assemblies, including Dexter, Lippert, and Alco. And now when we talk about the size, I've been calling this a 12 1/4 inch by 3 3/8 inches. And what those measurements are, the 12 1/4 is going to be the diameter from this shoe to this shoe. So if we put a ruler on it, there's your 12 1/4 inch measurement. The width is actually going to be the width of the brake pad we talked about. Brake pad, 3 3/8 inches wide. Again, the axle this will fit on is a 10,000 pound axle, and the wheel size that this will take is 15 inches and larger. And the last thing I wanted to show you is you'll notice coming from the back, you'll have these 2 wires right here, and these 2 wires need to be connected. One goes to a ground, one goes to a brake feed, and they're both the same color wire, so you can use either wire for either function. But that's going to do it for a look at this eTrailer self-adjusting 12 1/4 inch by 3 3/8 inch left-hand driver's side electric trailer brake assembly for 10,000 pound axles.